All right, folks, this week we're going to do some research on the religion of Islam. The religion of Islam took over Europe, Northern Africa, parts of Europe, Northern Africa, and parts of Asia after the Roman Empire and all the other empires fell. And it is the second largest religion on earth after Christianity. So we're going to learn about the basics of Islam today, or this week, and we're going to learn we're going to talk about why it became so popular. So here's what you need to do. Before you even open a web browser and look anything up, you're going to just tell me what you think these terms mean. If you don't know, throw a guess down. Okay, I don't bet hardly any of you know what a mutsain is. That's okay. Once you've guessed on all of them, and I want you to put this in your own words, actually go look it up. And this is one of those rare instances where you're absolutely allowed to copy and paste. Go to Google, find a great basic definition for all of these, and put them right in here. You're going to need this later. Then down here, these are the 5 pillars of Islam. They're the 5 most basic beliefs. They're kind of the 10 commandments of Islam. So in this case, you don't have to guess anything. Go right to Google. Get a perfect, each one of these has an absolute definition that is accepted by all Muslims. I want you to put that right in there. Then I want you to give me more information, because Shahada is a very simple concept. Then when you read it about, you find it actually can get a little complicated. Okay, so give me further explanation. And then over here, I want you to tell me in your own words what Shahada is, and Salat is, and Zakat, and Saum, and Hajj. Okay, and this is going to be really important that you do a good job at this, because this is going to really help you on your last part of the assignment. Then down here, these are the 5 basic beliefs. They're not the 5 pillars. They're the things that keep Islam running. Okay, so you read through those. Don't have to do anything with them, except you're going to use this, and this to answer the big question down here. Okay, and what I need you to write a couple paragraphs. You can ignore the Judaism part here because we didn't cover that chapter. All right, but down here, based on these beliefs of Islam, okay, using your notes, I'm going to post a separate section of notes that's going to be a slideshow, and your own knowledge. What ways do you think that Islam is similar to Christianity and Judaism? Now, if you happen to know a lot about Judaism, include it. If you don't, stick to Christianity. And then why do you think that Islam would have been popular and appealing to the people at this point in history? Because this did catch on like wildfire. Islam spread way faster than Christianity, spread faster than any of the other major religions of the world. So answer these questions down here, a couple paragraphs, and that's it for this week. So I'll post you some notes, and then you need Google, you need your own brains, and you need hard work this week. That's all you need. And last but not least, don't forget, nobody's trying to change your mind on religion. We're just trying to understand what's going on in the world, and in order to understand that, you have to oftentimes know what the second most popular religion in the world believes. So that's what we're looking for. So an open mind, open heart, some hard work, some Google, and that's it for the week. Please, as always, email me if you have any questions whatsoever. Thanks, guys.